Managing paid time off manually is a headache. Setting up PTO plans in ADP automates accruals, tracking, and requests, giving everyone visibility. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to set it up. As an admin, go to Time and Attendance or Benefits settings. Look for Leave Plans or PTO plans. Create a new plan, defining the rules. Accrual rate, e.g., 4 hours per pay period, annual cap, carryover limits, and which employees are eligible. Once the plan is created, you assign it to employees. ADP will then begin automatically accruing time based on your rules. Employees can view their balances and submit requests through the portal or mobile app. My crucial pro tip: set up automated approval workflows. When an employee submits a PTO request, you can configure it to route automatically to their manager for approval. Once approved, it can auto-populate the time off calendar and even deduct from the balance. That's how you transform leave management from chaotic to streamlined. Do you offer a single PTO bank or separate vacation and sick time? Share your policy below. For more tips on automating HR, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.